shit. Ran through the hat and everything. That shit was crazy. Good thing I had this joint on though. We in the Animal Factory. Swain Storm 2 is happening all over again. Dig this. This is what's gonna happen. All right. Last time we did the Swain Storm 1 with Chase and Colt. Got 100 different edits. So for this one, I came back to where I started with Animal, and we're gonna do an edit. This time I need 200 edits. Don't be shy. I gave y'all the best music. You know, nothing homemade, low budget, none of that. No undergroundish, too much-ish. Fuck with me. Look, if y'all come in with the best edits, then y'all can get a frame and some clothes and stickers, and plus you're gonna get better. That's what's most important. This year, we're gonna let y'all submit as many edits as y'all want. So if you wanna do 100 edits, do 100 edits. And we're gonna have somebody of very, very importance, I'll announce it later, who's gonna be judging these edits. We working, all of us. So I need y'all to work, all of you. And all of us can be working all together. Fuck with me. DMX, Bang Bang, Philly Swain, Team Animal. Don't just keep on watching me. Go get your edit done. Get your man with the cam. Hopefully as good as friend, and get the edit done. You can get stickers, frames. I would line it all right here, but I like how these hats look, so just gonna rock with that. Swain Storm 2. Y'all be able to download the mixtape. Make sure you use music from the mixtape. It'll be under this. It'll be a link up under this video. And rock out, go hard. Gotta be a song on there for you if this is what you really do. Don't let the music be your excuse why you ain't making your move. You know what I'm saying? Go for it, man. DMX, man. I got Animal and Colt tatted on my arm, man. I'm true to this. I ain't new to this. I'm through with this. Go do the edit.